While predictions of the future can never be absolutely certain, present scientific understanding in various fields has allowed a projected course for the farthest future events to be sketched out, if only in the broadest strokes. These fields include astrophysics, which has revealed how planets and stars form, interact and die. Particle physics, which has revealed how matter behaves at the smallest scales. Evolutionary biology, which predicts how life will evolve over time, and plate tectonics, which shows how continents shift over millennia. All predictions of the future of the Earth, the solar system and the universe must account for the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy, or a loss of the energy available to do work, must increase over time. Stars must eventually exhaust their supply of hydrogen fuel and burn out. Close encounters will gravitationally fling planets from their star systems, and star systems from galaxies. Eventually, matter itself will come under the influence of radioactive decay, as even the most stable materials break apart into subatomic particles. However, as current data suggest that the universe is flat, and thus will not collapse in on itself after a finite time, the infinite future potentially allows for the occurrence of a number of massively improbable events, such as the formation of a Boltzmann brane. These timelines cover events from roughly 8,000 years from now to the farthest reaches of future time. A number of alternate future events are listed to account for questions still unresolved, such as whether humans will survive, whether protons decay or whether the Earth will be destroyed by the Sun's expansion into a red giant. Key: Future of the Earth, the Solar System and the Universe, Main Sequence Era. This section comprises the period during which the Sun will remain on the main sequence, converting hydrogen to helium in its core as it does today. Post-Main Sequence Era. This section comprises the period of time after the Sun leaves the main sequence and begins its transition towards its eventual death. Astronomical Events. This is a list of extremely rare astronomical events after the beginning of the 11th millennium AD, spacecraft and space exploration. To date 5 spacecraft are on trajectories which will take them out of the Solar System and into interstellar space. Barring an unlikely collision, the craft should persist indefinitely. Technology and culture, graphical timelines. For graphical, logarithmic timelines of these events see, graphical timeline of the universe, graphical timeline of the stelliferous era, graphical timeline from Big Bang to heat death, see also, detailed logarithmic timeline. Earth's location in the universe, space and survival, terasecundum longer, timeline of natural history, timeline of the Big Bang, timeline of the near future, 10th millennium, notes. References